all the P3 students. It's glad to see you again through this video. Today I am Miss Ayu. I'm gonna explain about plants. Let's start then. What are plants? I believe every one of you already knows what plants are. So here comes the characteristics of plants. Plants are living things. Of course, plants need food, water, and air to stay alive. And then plants grow. Plants also respond to changes, although it cannot respond to changes instantly. But still, plants respond to changes. Plants move by themselves. And plants also reproduce. One more thing that you need to know is that plants can make their own food by the help of the sunlight. The classification of plants. We have flowering plants, and these are the characteristics of flowering plants. It produces flowers when they become adult plants and the conditions are right. They produce fruits, and the flowers might grow singly or in cluster. While the non-flowering plants, they do not produce flowers and they also do not bear fruits. Okay, this picture shows you the parts of a plant. Plant comes in all shapes and sizes, but most plants have leaves, stems, and roots. Here also comes the function of each part. The flower helps in reproduction. The leaf performs photosynthesis. The fruit protects the seed. Stem supports the plant, and roots absorbs water and minerals. We will study one by one, starting from roots. Most roots grow under the ground, but some are found above the ground. The function of the roots: it helps plants to take in water and mineral salt from the ground, and it also anchors the plant firmly in the soil. Next, we have stem. The function of the stem: it supports branches and leaves. It helps the plant to stand upright. Some extra I give it to you. Some stems have a woody stem, but some stems have a non-woody stem. The tall and thick stem called trunk. And the trunk of the tree is to protect them by an outer covering called bark. Yeah, so the trunk of the tree is protected by an outer covering called bark. The next is leaves. Most plants have simple leaves. A simple leaf have a leaf stalk, a leaf blade, and veins on the leaf. The function of leaves itself: to make food for the plants by the help of the sunlight. The process of making food by the plant is known as photosynthesis. Flowers. Flowers of plants can be grown singly or in cluster. So here are the examples of flowers that grow in singly. And we also have flowers that grow in cluster. So in one branch, we have more than one flower. The function of flowers itself is to develop into fruits, and they also as the reproductive parts of the plants. The next, we have fruits. And the function of fruits is to protect the seed inside it that will grow into a new plant. Next, we have seeds, and the function of seeds is to grow into a new plant. Here I will give you some extras about plants. Number 1, plants can be found growing in different places. Land plants can be found growing close to the ground, on buildings, in drains, or on other plants. For example, here we have coconut trees, vines, and bird nest ferns. Water plants can be found growing completely under the water or submerged, half submerged or partially submerged, or floating on the surface of the water. For examples, we have hydrilla, cattail, and duckweed. Number 2, some plants have special structures to trap insects that give them more nutrients. These plants are called carnivorous plants. For examples, pitcher plant, bladderwort, and Venus flytrap. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you enjoy watching, and don't forget to subscribe and press the bell button to know the more informations from me. See you!